boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Mavokali here, first time on Gordon Guitar. I love to have premieres like that. So this one is Hamjasema. Hamjasema, nice, good vibes in this one. So let's take a look at this song here with only 4 chords. We use the capo here on the 1st fret to have easy chords here. So let's take a look at them. Beautiful E minor first, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And of course we have a bar chord as well. So that is a B minor. You place the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but all the other strings there from bottom up 5 strings. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And that will be the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So grab the E minor there, and one round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds. And so on. So, you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord in the order I just mentioned, the chords E minor, C, G, and B minor, like this. So good luck with Mavokali's Hamjasema. This one was for you, and if you appreciated that, please give me some appreciation back here, like this tutorial, and till next time guys, play tuned.